In today's video, I will show you how to use HEVC with transparency. HEVC is a video codec available in LumaFusion that allows you to give your text or graphics a transparent background once they are exported as video clips. To use HEVC with transparency, you need to export your creations as video clips. If you do not, then HEVC will not work properly. When you use HEVC with transparency and automatically give your text or graphics a transparent background, you do not need to use the chroma key or blending modes to overlay text on top of videos. All you need to do is change the text by tapping the text layer of your animation and then double tapping the text so that the text editor appears. Type the text that you want. Try to keep it to one line of text. In this example, if you use more text than that, you'll need to preview your animation to make sure everything works as it should. Here you see our new title, HEVC with Transparency, how to use HEVC with transparency to be more accurate. The title appears on screen and is easily legible, and the animation works as Tammy created it. The next step is to export your title. Tap the share icon, tap Movie, choose a destination, and then take a look at your project settings. Tap where it says Video Codec and choose HEVC with Transparency. Once you've selected it, tap the share icon one more time to actually export your clip. You will find your exported clip in the LumaFusion Movies folder or the All Photos and Videos folder if you do not see it. To preview a clip before you add it to the timeline, just select the clip and you'll see that the clip will appear in the preview area, but it hasn't been added to the timeline yet. To play the clip and make sure that it's the right one, the one with HEVC transparency, just tap the play icon underneath the preview area and the clip will play. Once you know that it's the right one, you can bring it down to the timeline in two ways. Either long press and hold and drop it on top of your video track, or you can also use the button that will drop the clip into the second video track above the main timeline. The clip had a black background in the preview area. Notice that you don't see the black background here, just the video behind it. This is the point of using this video codec. Using HEVC with transparency can be helpful because if you use LumaFusion without a subscription to Creator Path, you only have access to 6 video and 6 audio layers for a total of 12 layers per project. If you'd like to take a look at your title or graphic inside your video without hearing any audio, you can simply mute the audio by tapping the volume icon underneath the master volume control to mute the sound for a specific layer. There are volume controls for each video and audio layer. When you tap either the master volume icon or the volume icon, which corresponds to a specific layer, it turns yellow and has a line through it. Now you can play your video without hearing any audio. Tap the play icon, and this time you'll see the animated title with no audio. That looks good, except that some of the words aren't legible because of the media bin. Double tap your clip to open the clip editor, choose frame and fit, play your video so that you can see your title on the screen. Once it appears, you can simply long press and hold on the title and move it up or down as needed to make the entire title completely legible. Just move it up or down as needed. Go back to the main timeline, preview the clip one more time to ensure that it works properly. Your entire title should fit on screen, be legible, and the animation should work as created. If you've muted the sound, don't forget to unmute the sound before you export your final video.